Does this side of my face look tired to you? Maybe a little heavy? It's not terrible makeup, but it's definitely not doing me any favors. Now look at this side. It's brighter, more awake, and honestly, it looks about 5 years younger. Here's the crazy part, I used the exact same products on both sides. Same palette, same brushes. The only difference is placement. As we get older, gravity pulls everything down. Our hoods get heavier, and our eyes can start to turn downward. Today, I'm showing you the do this, not that, techniques to fight gravity and give your eyes an instant lift, no surgery required. Let's start with the frame of the face, the brows. On my tired side, you can see I followed my natural brow bone all the way down. When you drag the tail of your brow down too far, you are visually closing off the eye area and pulling the whole face downward. It creates a sad expression. Do this instead. On this side, we are going to stop short. Instead of following the curve down toward your earlobe, I want you to aim the tail of your brow toward the top of your ear. By keeping the tail shorter and straighter, you instantly create more space between the end of your brow and your eye. That extra space is what makes you look lifted. Next is the biggest mistake I see women with hooded eyes make regarding eyeshadow. Don't do this, closing your eye to apply eyeshadow right in the crease. When I look down, this looks fine. But the second I open my eye, the color disappears into the fold, or worse, it creates a dark shadow that makes my eyes look sunken and heavy. Do this instead, keep your eyes open. Look straight into your mirror. I'm going to place this shadow above my actual crease, right onto the orbital bone. By placing the shadow here, I'm pushing that heavy hood back visually. It creates a false crease that you can actually see when my eyes are open. Always blend up toward the temple, never down toward the cheek. We want everything sweeping up. Now for eyeliner. This is usually where things go wrong. Don't do this, lining the entire lash line with a thick, dark line. Thick liner adds weight to the lid. It makes the movable lid look smaller. And if you follow your eye shape all the way to the outer corner, you're just emphasizing the droop. Do this instead, we are going to use the invisible triangle technique. I'm only going to line the outer 1/3 of my eye. But instead of following my lash line down, I'm going to stop before the very end and kick the line up slightly. Think of it like a tiny wedge. It lifts the outer corner rather than dragging it down. And for the lower lashes? Skip the dark liner. Just use a tiny bit of soft brown shadow on the outer corner to connect it. It defines the eye without closing it up. We have the brow, the shadow, and the liner. But this final step is the magic wand. Don't do this, using a big swipe of concealer in a semicircle under the eye. This just highlights texture and puffiness. It doesn't give us any structure. Do this instead, take a flat brush with a tiny bit of concealer. Find the outer corner of your eye, and draw a sharp, clean line angling up toward your temple. This acts like an eraser. It cleans up any messy eyeshadow that fell too low, and it creates a bright, crisp line that forces the eye upward. Gently blend that down into the cheek, don't blend it up into the shadow you just fixed. Can you believe the difference? It's the same makeup, just a different mindset. One side is working with gravity, and the other side is fighting against it. I'm curious, which of these 4 mistakes were you guilty of? I was definitely guilty of dragging my eyebrow tail down too far for years. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to try fixing tomorrow morning. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, it really helps the channel, and subscribe if you want to see more real, practical beauty tips. See you in the next one.